It been in the spring, and the small birds sing, and the lambkins sport and play. My way I took, my friends forsook, till I came to Derry Quay. I entered there a passenger, to America I sailed o'er. I bid farewell to the friends I left on the lovely Shamrock shore. To New York fair I did repair, the weather it been fine. Oh, it was a lovely spot all in a foreign clime. Oh, it was a beauty spot, a rich and apparel wore. Still I find no mirror that can compare with the girls from the Shamrock shore. Oh, the young men all, both great and small, go to the fields to walk. Here alone I sigh and moan, to none of them I talk. Here alone I sigh and moan, for the girl that I adore. I am sore oppressed, I can find no rest since I left the Shamrock shore. One evening fair to take the air down by a shady grove, I heard two lovers talking, and their chat was on true love. I heard two lovers talking of the maid that I adore. When I think along, I compose a song in praise of the Shamrock shore. Thank you.